Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 28. This is Section 1.3, Problem 28. It says Jane just bought a used car for $14,182. She paid $866 in sales tax, $431 in excise tax, $286 in registration fees, and $952 for 1 year of insurance. How much did she pay altogether? So what we have to do is add those numbers together. So we start with the price of the car itself, which is $14,182. And next, we have the sales tax, which is $866. And next, the excise tax, which is $431. After that, we have the registration fees, $286. And finally, 1 year of insurance will be $952. And now we have to add all of those together. So I have a lot of numbers. I will start in the far right column of digits and add them together. I'll start with 2 plus 6 plus 1 plus 6 plus 2. So to do that, 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 1 more is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So for 17, I'll put the 7 from the 17 under the column of digits that I just added, carry the 1 from the 17 to the top of the next column of digits that I have to add, and now I will add 1 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5. So when I do that, 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26, and 26 plus 5 is 31. So for 31, I'll write the 1 from the 31 under the column of digits that I just added together, carry the 3 from the 31 to the top of the next column of digits that I have to add together, and now I will add 3 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 9. So when I do that, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. So for 27, I'll put the 7 from the 27 under the column of digits that I just added together. I'll carry the 2 from the 27 to the top of the next column of digits that I have to add, which is really just a 4. There's nothing under it. So I really just have to add 2 plus 4, which is 6. And I still have the 1 in front. There's nothing to carry from the 6. So 1 plus nothing else underneath it is just 1. So this gives me a final answer of $16,717. Now this is in terms of money, so I should label it as money. So instead of just $16,717, I should say that it's $16,717.